Hello, my name is Sarah, and today I wanted to show you a few Valentine's decor and DIY ideas. I don't usually decorate a lot for Valentine's Day, but I thought these could kind of transition between winter and spring. The first idea is this little yarn wrapped heart. You just cut out a piece of cardboard and wrap it with some yarn. I had this soft pink, but you could do something like red or white as well. After it's all wrapped up and all the cardboard is covered, you just tie the back, and then I strung a bunch of them on a little garland and made some tassels to hang from the mantle. And then for the larger ones, I placed those around the house just to make little vignettes. Next, I added these hearts and snowflakes to my back window. This is just chalk marker, and they're really easy to erase with some window cleaner when you get tired of them. This is also something that your kids could help you with. My daughter actually went back later and added her own special touches. Next thing I did was cut out a piece of paper that would fit a frame that I had, and I painted some watercolor hearts on them. I did this one in pink, and then I did another one in red that you'll see a little later. Next, I sketched out the word I wanted to put on the heart. Then I go back over it with some ink. You could also use just a pen, but I like to have it all written out ahead of time so I know how it's going to fit on there. shelves are above my stove in the kitchen. I like to use stuff that I already had on hand. I pulled out a few cookie cutters, a pancake mold, a postcard. These are all things that I already had. They're not necessarily Valentine's themed. I think just adding a little touch of pink and some little hearts kind of makes it Valentine's, but doesn't scream Valentine's. Finally, I did a little Valentine's themed tablescape. You could use this for a Valentine's dinner with your family, or even just a romantic dinner for two. I found these really cute folded heart napkins, and they're super easy to do, but I think they turned out so adorable. Thank you so much for joining me today. Let me know in the comments if you usually decorate for Valentine's Day, and if you use the traditional reds and pinks, or if you're drawn to softer, more subtle colors. Please give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and consider hitting that subscribe button as well. I'm so glad that you joined me today. See you soon. Bye.